Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer Uber Cash to your bank account. If you have got Uber Cash and want to convert it, this video is for you. So now let's get started. First, Uber Cash is typically meant for rides or food delivery, but depending on your region, you may be able to request a refund. Open the Uber app and navigate to your wallet to check if there are any refund options. If you are eligible for a refund, go to the Help section in the application, choose Payment Issues, and look for options related to Uber Cash refunds. Contact support and request to have the balance refunded to your payment method. So once you have submitted your request, it may take a few days for Uber to process the refund. Keep an eye on your bank account for the refunded amount. And that is how you transfer Uber Cash to your bank account. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.